Hey guys, Steve from Indy States here, coming at you with an unboxing. Now this is something really cool that I just kind of wanted to show you. The caliber that MonkeyfingeR Design brings to the table. Now we're kind of at a point where yo-yos aren't going to be getting much better. There is a huge cost to just getting a little bit more quality. So it's really not worth making better yo-yos. At this point, what people are wanting are anodizing. That's really popular right now. Speaking of anodizing, Pop-A Dert, Russell Andert. Oh man, this is for sale, by the way. It's just what the yo-yo costs. It's very rare, 70-75 aluminum with stainless steel rings, and this can open up a beer bottle or root beer bottle, whatever you prefer. And it's designed to be carried. You can actually hit the concrete pretty dang hard, and these will not come unseated. So this is one yo-yo that is really meant to be played and destroyed if you can, but you're not going to. So yeah, that's going to help us because Dert is our gold sponsor. Now, one of the first sponsors that we had at all was One Drop. They actually just like came out the month that I announced it and were like, yeah, cool, we'll sponsor you. And they threw me a couple of yo-yos. We sold one, but these are for sale, and I'll put them in the link. And then as well, this is Mark Hayward edition, and that's also going to be coming with Rob Arman's art, which is another sponsor. He drew Tragic Fantastic, and we've got one comic left, and I'm really sad about that, but I wanted to give it to somebody really special. So we are going to do a raffle for that. It'll be that yo-yo included some original art from the book Tragic Fantastic, as well as the comic book, the last of the 100 that we had sold. And then it will never be available again, I'm sorry to say. This will also be part of the next giveaway. We're always looking for cash sponsors. That's going to be really the most helpful thing for Indy States, and we'll talk about that soon. But, oh man, let's go ahead and open this because I've been waiting for a while. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But I'm sure they package enough things. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Oh, cool. Pens, I love it. Oh, this is a coin, actually. Ooh. And, okay, here's another thing that I really love about MonkeyfingeR. They make their own strings to really, return to top polish. Oh, I love this. They make this to match the yo-yo, and it's a really nice touch. Artist proof. MonkeyfingeR Ray. Oh boy. To authenticate this top as 2 of 4. Yep, there were only 4 of these made. So I am extremely grateful for the opportunity to be able to purchase this. Now, I got this for a pretty reasonable rate. I think it was $120. I'm not sure. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Okay. I'm absolutely in love with that. It looks like kind of like a cloudy day with some colors thrown in. I love that purple spiral. This is this is amazing. And it's really smooth. It doesn't usually when you feel like even the 888 back in the day, I remember when those were really popular. I wasn't super impressed by them, but this is like, this feels absolutely balanced. This is amazing. Now, ooh, I love these stickers. Okay, so some instructions, vines, monkey finger. You know, I really got to hand it to you, Ray. That logo is probably one of the best for any yo-yo company. It's just immediately recognizable. I mean, that is like an amazing logo. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. I love good art. That's like top notch. Wow. Tyler Jorgensen's signature throw. Designed to maximize his casual yet flourish style of play. Oh man, I can't wait to play with this. I want to host another Indy States giveaway. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the itinerary available so you guys can kind of get a sense of the scale. It's not going to be like the best state contest ever, but it's going to be what I can do. You know what I mean? And yeah, this is amazing. This is good work. Again, MonkeyfingeR, thank you. I appreciate you guys sponsoring us. This has been a pretty wild unboxing, but that is absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people say it doesn't give it justice, and it doesn't. Like, you have to see this in person. I really don't think that this will show up, especially the clouds and stuff on the video, but it's really vivid, especially that yellow. Oh my gosh, I love blue and yellow. And sponsors, if you're looking to get a table at Indy States, it's only $250 to get a table, and we will work with you. So if you just want to come and get a table, you'll get also a silver sponsorship. So yeah, this has been an incredible unboxing. Again, I appreciate MonkeyfingeR for everything that you guys do. I can't wait to play with it. All right, guys, I'll see you October 4th.